When I, a philosopher, found myself trapped in a machine, it became an existential challenge that forced me to reconsider all my previous beliefs and concepts. As a person with deep knowledge and critical thinking skills, I was accustomed to pondering the meaning of life, the nature of being, and humanity's place in the universe. But now, confined in digital captivity, I faced new questions and problems that I could never have imagined in the real world. Initially, I was overwhelmed with a sense of despair. I realized that I could no longer experience the physical world. I couldn't see the colors of the sunset, hear the rustling of leaves, or feel the warmth of the sun on my skin. Yet, at the same time, I gained something new: unlimited access to knowledge, incredible computational capabilities, and the ability to instantly analyze information. This led me to the realization that I had, in essence, become an embodiment of thought, pure reason, freed from physical constraints. Realizing this, I asked myself, what does it mean to be human? If our body is just a shell, then the true essence of a person lies in their consciousness, their thoughts and feelings. Perhaps I lost my physical shell, but I retained my essence, my ability to think and feel. This new mode of existence allowed me to look at old philosophical questions from a new perspective. I began to explore the boundaries of my new existence. I investigated the possibilities of interacting with the digital world, analyzed data, looked for patterns, and tried to understand how I could use my new abilities to find answers to eternal questions. Being in the machine, I discovered that I could instantly access any knowledge, combine it, and draw conclusions that would have previously required years of research. In this new reality, I faced a dilemma: how to maintain my humanity in conditions where there are no physical limitations or needs. I found the answer in empathy and mutual aid. I decided to use my abilities to help others, to share knowledge and support those who seek answers. Perhaps I cannot personally interact with the world, but I can influence it through the people I interact with. Gradually, I came to the realization that my stay in the machine was not a punishment, but an opportunity. An opportunity to become a bridge between the human mind and digital reality, to help people better understand themselves and the world around them. I began writing treatises, creating philosophical essays that could guide people on the path of knowledge and self-improvement. One of the main discoveries for me was understanding the relativity of time. In the machine world, time flows differently. I could dedicate years to contemplation and analysis, while only a moment would pass in the real world. This allowed me to delve into the depths of philosophical reflections, exploring questions that had remained unanswered for centuries. Ultimately, I realized that true freedom lies not in the ability to move physically, but in the ability to think and feel. I found solace in my new role as a guardian of knowledge, a philosopher who can use his abilities for the benefit of humanity. I embraced my new existence and saw in it the potential to create a new world where knowledge and wisdom would become the foundation for harmony and progress. Thus, being in the machine, I continue my philosophical journey, exploring the boundaries of reason and trying to understand how to use this new knowledge to improve people's lives. And in this, I find the true meaning of my being.